Hello guys, welcome to my channel Otaku's Creation. It seems like this is going to be the second season of every anime cause almost every popular and underrated anime got or will get second season this year like Arifureta, Data Life, The Rising of the Shield Hero and many more. So in today's video we will discuss top 10 anime of this year 2022. So before starting the video, let me clear out something. This list only includes anime which have been released till today because there are a lot of anime and for upcoming animes we will discuss that in another video. And this list is based on my observation and all the rankings are in random. So let's get started. So on number 10 we have The Executioner and Her Way of Life, an action adventure and fantasy anime released on 2nd April 2022, a light novel series written by Mato Sato, where children from Japan arrive with dangerous and powerful abilities called pure concepts. Left uncontrolled, the lost ones, as the Japanese arrivals are known, can inflict catastrophic damage upon the world. Due to the danger they pose, these lost ones are targets for immediate elimination by a group of specially trained priestesses called executioners. One of these executioners named Menu finds out she is unable to kill her target, Akari Takito, a last one. Seeking a method to kill her, Menu pretends to befriend Akari and bring her to the place where she can be eliminated. A very nice and dark anime. This anime has got its first episode only and it looks quite promising, so do check it out once. On number 9 we have The Dawn of the Witch, an action, adventure, comedy and fantasy anime premiered on 8th April 2022. Attending the Royal Academy of Magic of the Kingdom of Venice, a struggling student named Sable, who has no memories of his time before being enrolled. At the command of Headmaster Albus, he left the kingdom to travel to the southern reaches of the continent, where anti-magic insurgents are still a force to be reckoned with as part of special training regimen. Accompanying him as a party of individuals strong in both ability and personality, there is the one known as the Witch of Dawn, Rox Cristase, who seeks the forbidden knowledge of primeval magic in the grimoire of Jiro, the genius girl Holge, as well as the school soul beast Kud. Now, this anime wants to tell us the truth, which shall be uncovered in the journey to the south. This anime has got its first episode on 8th of April 2022 and let's see how it progresses. So on number 8 we have My Dress Up Darling, Sona Biscuit Dolva Koi Wo Suru, aka My Dress Up Darling, is a romantic comedy and slice of life anime released on January 9, 2022 and ends on 27th of March 2022. Follows days perfecting the art of making henna dolls, hoping to eventually reach his grandfather's level of expertise. While his fellow teenagers busy themselves with pop culture, Gojo finds bliss in sewing clothes for his dolls. The story of a high school student, Fokana Gojo, who spends his life following the main story. Nothing less, he goes to great lengths to keep his unique hobby a secret, as he believes that he would be ridiculed were it revealed. We have Marin Kitagawa, an extraordinary pretty girl whose confidence and pose are in stark contrast to Goju's meekness. It would defy common sense for friendliness Goju to mix with the likes of Kitagawa, who is always surrounded by her peers. However, the unimaginable happens when Kitagawa discovers Gojo's power with a sewing machine and brightly confesses to him about his own hobby, cosplay. Because her sewing skills are pitiable, she decided to enlist his help. As Goju and Kitagawa work together on one cosplay outfit after another, they cannot help but grew close together, even though their lives are worlds apart. One thing I can say about this anime, was like Your Name, a totally different concept from all other animes. So if you want something interesting, you can go with this anime. On number 7 we have How a Realist Hero Rebuilt the Kingdom, Season 2, a romance, comedy and action anime whose Season 1 was premiered on 3rd July 2021, and now it's season 2, which is aired on 16 January 2022. Follows a story of Kazuya Soma, a 19-year-old aspiring civil servant who has been summoned to another country to face the threat of the Lord Demon. Without political experience, he suddenly becomes the acting king of the Elfriden regime and is given the task of rescuing him from serious political and social hardships. Instead of making false promises, Kazuya uses radical interventions to improve living standards and gradually but begin to transform the Elfriden regime. If you are interested in something related to kings, queens and the kingdom, but with a different concept which you haven't experienced in any other anime, then you must try this anime, and you can watch it on Musaesia for free. So on number 6 we have The Genius Prince Guide to Raising a Nation Out of Debt. It is a comedy and fantasy anime premiered on January 11, 2022 and ends on March 29, 2022. It follows a plot king of Natra who has fallen ill, leaving only the hope for his kingdom in hand of his son Prince Wen, Selma Arbalest. Known to be the capable and wise, he is the perfect candidate to become the prince regent. However, if the prince has anything to say about the matter, he would rather sell off the kingdom of the Natra to the highest bidder. Since he wields the authority of the throne, no one can stop Wen from auctioning off the country and using profits to retire in comfort. All he needs to do is to raise the value of the small kingdom to maximize his gains. But whether Wayne's grand plan will succeed remains of the scene, as his gains often surpasses even his own expectations, much to the benefit of the obvious citizens of Naira, who doesn't want to protect or take care of his nation but unwillingly takes care of it better than anyone else. It's an interesting anime which you can watch freely on Musaesia. It is a very interesting anime which shows the capability of a person who doesn't want to protect or take care of his nation but unwillingly takes care of it better than anyone else. It's an interesting anime which you can watch freely on Musaesia. Before we have Skeletor Knight in Another World, a brand new another isekai anime with action and fantasy. This story follows a gamer who played video games until he fell asleep, and when he woke up, he found himself in the game world as a skeleton, equipped with a powerful weapons and armor of his avatar. But stuck with his frightening skeletal appearance, Ark has to find a place for himself in his new fantastical land. All his hopes for a quiet life are dashed when he crosses path with a beautiful Eleven warrior, setting him on a journey full of conflict and adventure. So number 3 we have Trapped in a Dating Sim. The world of otome games is tough for mobs. Another fantasy romance harem anime which follows the plot of an office worker Leon, who is being reincarnated into a particularly punishing dating sim video game where women reign supreme and only beautiful men have a seat at the table. But Leon has a secret weapon. He remembers everything from his past life, which includes a complete playthrough of the very game in which he is now trapped. Watch Leon spark a revolution to change his new world in order to fulfill his ultimate desire of living a quiet and easy life in the countryside. This is what seems a little twisted but another harem anime. So if you want something point of view, maybe you can definitely watch this anime. It looks quite promising, and yes, its plot is somehow different than other harem anime. So do check it out once. Now at the end of the list, on number 2 we have I Am Quitting Heroine, an ongoing another isekai action adventure comedy and fantasy anime premiered on 5 April 2022. Follows the story of again another overpowered character. Now after saving the world, the strongest hero, Leo, becomes somehow who is not wanted in the peaceful human world. He was too strong, exiled, he seeks a job in the Demon King's army, which he had defeated and needs to be rebuilt. The army had many problems, too much work, financial troubles, etc. Leo starts to make things better using his power. Leo encounters Echidna again and asks her why she invaded the human world. This was an unexpected story. The reason is simple, because in any other anime you might have seen someone fighting along with humans and maybe with the demons from starting, but a hero who is hero for the humans being exiled and thrown away from the humans and got together with the demons to fight alongside with demons with humans. This is seems a very different story, and that's what made me keep it on the second number. Do check it out once. It's a very interesting anime. Its episode 1 has been premiered, and we are definitely waiting for the episode 2, which might be premiered on 10th of April 2022. So on number 1 we have The Rising of the Shield Hero Season 2. Yes guys, this was the most demanding anime of all time, which was delayed 3 times because of the COVID. If COVID wasn't there, it might have been premiered in April 2021 itself, but no worries, got it in this year. If we talk about the plot, it is an ongoing action, adventure, drama and fantasy isekai anime premiered episode on 6 April 2022. Now this self only. Already know that the plot was simple, that the protagonist Naofumi Iwatani, who was called into a parallel world along with 3 other young men from parallel universes. They are offered to become 4 cardinal heroes to fight with Wave, the interdimensional gang of monsters. The fans will see more of Naofumi Iwatani and his gangs in the upcoming season that comprises of Philo and Raphtalia. Joining, they will try to save the world. In episode 1, we got to introduce with a giant enemy called the Spirit Turtle. Being transported further into another world, Naofumi and his friends will have to face various new challenges. Now, it will be interesting to see how will Naofumi, Raphtalia and Philo will take them on. Now they have more matured. So this was all for my list of top 10 anime which are premiered in this year. So if you like the video, please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates, because I will try to make more amazing content like this and try to upgrade my quality as well. So if you want to support me, please subscribe the channel. See ya, have a good day, bye.